Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to solve the how to fix AZ screen recorder not working problem. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll find all the controls to adjust your device's functions. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your phone. Step 3. Tap on Manage Apps and find the AZ screen recorder. This lets you access the specific settings for the app. Step 4. Tap on Permission. Here, you can check which permissions the app currently has. Step 5. Now allow all permissions like camera, microphone, and storage. These are essential for the screen recorder to function properly. Step 6. Tap on Notification. This controls how the app alerts you while recording. Step 7. Disable Allow Sound and Floating Notification. This prevents any interruptions during recording. Step 8. Turn off Auto Start. This stops the app from launching automatically and causing conflicts. Step 9. Now open the AZ screen recorder and start recording a video. Check if the problem is resolved. Step 10. Now you've solved your problem. Enjoy smooth screen recording without any issues. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.